In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure pips and points in TradingView. Before we jump in, here's a quick refresher. In forex, a pip is typically the fourth decimal place, so a move from 1/1000 to 1/1001 is 1 pip, while many JPY pairs count a pip at the second decimal. In indices, stocks, and some crypto, you'll usually see points instead, which represent a 1-unit move in the instrument's price. TradingView can display both, and the tool we'll use makes that really clear. Start by heading to tradingview.com. Once the page loads, look over to the right side where the watch list sits. Choose the symbol you want to analyze. This could be a currency pair, an index, or any instrument you track, and give it a click so the small preview chart appears. Next, open the full chart view. This expands everything into the main workspace, giving you access to the full toolbar and precise measurement information. It's much easier to read pips and points in this layout because all the tool labels and ranges are clearly visible. On the left toolbar, find the icon for forecasting and measurement tools. It looks like a small set of trade planning tools bundled together. Click it to open the menu. From there, pick long position. Even if you're just measuring, this tool is perfect because it automatically shows the distance between entry, stop, and target in pips or points based on the market you're on. Now place it on your chart, click near your intended entry to drop the tool, then drag the top handle to where you'd like the take profit and the bottom handle to where a stop would be. As you adjust, look at the labels next to the tool. You'll see values for the price range and the distance measured. On forex charts, those distances will show as pips. On indices and many equities, they'll appear as points. This gives you an immediate, precise readout of how far price would need to move. If you're measuring only a segment, that's fine. Just position the entry at one end of the move and the take profit at the other. You can zoom in for finer control and drag the entire tool if you need to reposition it without changing the distances. That's all there is to it. By using the long position tool from the forecasting and measurement menu inside the full chart, you get clear, automatic measurements in pips or points that match the instrument you're analyzing. Thanks for watching and happy charting.